Top 18 New Technology Trends for 2022. Today's technology is developing quickly, enabling quicker change and advancement and accelerating the rate of change. However, there are many more changes that have occurred this year as a result of the COVID-19 epidemic, which has made IT professionals recognize that their job will alter in the contactless world of the future. Additionally, an IT professional in 2022-2023 will be continually learning new things. Using this technique, artificial intelligence will be able to comprehend us better and carry out more difficult tasks. According to predictions, 5G will change how we live and work in the future. Here are the top 17 upcoming technological trends you should keep an eye out. 1. Computing power. Computing power has already established its place in the digital era, with almost every device and appliance being computerized. And it's here for even more, as data science experts have predicted that the computing infrastructure we are building right now will only evolve for the better in the coming years. At the same time, we have 5G already. Gear up for an era of 6G with more power in our hands and devices surrounding us. Even better, computing power is generating more tech jobs in the industry but would require specialized qualifications for candidates to acquire. From data science to robotics and IT management, this field will power the largest percentage of employment in every country. The more computing our devices will need, the more technicians, IT teams, relationship managers, and the customer care economy will flourish. One essential branch under this field that you can learn today is RPA, i.e. robotic process automation. 2. Smarter devices. Artificial intelligence has played an essential role in making our world smarter and smoother. It is not just simulating humans but going the extra mile to make our life hassle-free and simpler. These smarter devices are here to stay in 2022 and even further, as data scientists are working on AI home robots, appliances, work devices, wearables, and so much more. Almost every job needs smart software applications to make our work life more manageable. Smarter devices are another addition to the IT industry that is of high requirement and demand as more companies transform into digital spaces. Almost every higher-level job requires a good proficiency in IT and automation these days to thrive. 3. Datafication. Datafication is simply transforming everything in our life into devices or software powered by data. So, in short, datafication is the modification of human chores and tasks into data-driven technology. From our smartphones, industrial machines, and office applications to AI-powered appliances and everything else, data is here to stay for longer than we can ever remember. So, to keep our data stored the right way and secure and safe, it has become an in-demand specialization in our economy. Datafication leads to a higher need for IT professionals, data scientists, engineers, technicians, managers, and so much more. Even more useful is that anyone with a sound knowledge of technology can do a certification in data-related specializations to find a job in this space. Data jobs are more about skills than big-level qualifications, and we have so many successful leaders emerging from smaller cities and developing countries. You can also equip yourself with this useful trending skill by doing a course like RPA to help you understand how automation works in the world of data. 4. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has already received a lot of buzz in the past decade. But it continues to be one of the new technology trends because of its notable effects on how we live, work and play are only in the early stages. AI is already known for its superiority in image and speech recognition, navigation apps, smartphone personal assistants, ride-sharing apps and so much more. Other than that, AI will be used further to analyze interactions to determine underlying connections and insights. To help predict demand for services like hospitals, enabling authorities to make better decisions about resource utilization. And to detect the changing patterns of customer behavior by analyzing data in near real-time, driving revenues and enhancing personalized experiences. The AI market will grow to a $190 billion industry by 2025, with global spending on cognitive and AI systems reaching over $57 billion in 2022. With AI spreading its wings across sectors, new jobs will be created in development, programming, testing, support and maintenance, to name a few. Machine learning, the subset of AI, is also being deployed in all kinds of industries, creating a huge demand for skilled professionals. 5. Extended reality. Extended reality comprises all the technologies that simulate reality, from virtual reality, augmented reality to mixed reality and everything else in between. It is a significant technology trend right now, as all of us are craving to break away from the so-called real boundaries of the world. By creating a reality without any tangible presence, this technology is massively popular amongst gamers, medical specialists, and retail and modeling. Regarding extended reality, gaming is a crucial area for popular careers that don't require high-level qualifications but rather a passion for online gaming. You can pursue game design, animation, or even editing programs to pursue a successful career in this specialization. 6. Digital trust. With people being accommodated and tangled with devices and technologies, confidence and trust have been built towards digital technologies. This familiar digital trust is another vital trend leading to more innovations. With digital conviction, people believe that technology can create a secure, safe, and reliable digital world and help companies invent and innovate without worrying about securing the public's confidence. To create a safer space for digital users, cybersecurity and ethical hacking are the major specializations you can check out. 7. 3D printing. A key trend in innovation and technology is 3D printing, which is used to formulate prototypes. This technology has been impactful in the biomedical and industrial sectors. None of us thought of printing a real object from a printer, while right now, it's a reality. So, 3D printing is another innovation that's here to stay. For companies in the data and healthcare sector that require a lot of 3D printing for their products, various jobs pay well and are international. All you need is a sound knowledge of AI, machine learning, modeling, and 3D printing. 8. Genomics. Imagine a technology that can study your DNA and use it to improve your health, helping you fight diseases and whatnot. Genomics is precisely that technology that peruses upon the makeup of genes, DNAs, their mapping, structure, etc. Further, this can help quantify your genes and result in finding diseases or any possible problems that can later be a health issue. When it comes to a specialization like genomics, one can find a variety of technical as well as non-technical roles. Technical jobs in this area are all about designing, analyzing, and diagnostics, while non-technical jobs are concerned with higher levels of research and theoretical analysis. 9. New energy solutions. The world has agreed to be greener for the sake of its landscapes and the energy we use. This results in cars running on electricity or battery and houses using greener choices like solar and renewable energy. What's even better is that people are conscious of their carbon footprints and waste. Thus, minimizing it or turning those into renewable energy is even more helpful. This alternative energy arena is also boosting environment-related and data-oriented careers. 10. Robotic process automation, RPA. Like AI and machine learning, robotic process automation, or RPA, is another technology that is automating jobs. RPA is the use of software to automate business processes such as interpreting applications, processing transactions, dealing with data, and even replying to emails. RPA automates repetitive tasks that people used to do. Although RPA automation will threaten the livelihood of 230 million or more knowledge workers, or approximately 9% of the global workforce, RPA offers plenty of career opportunities, including developer, project manager, business analyst, solution architect, and consultant. 11. Edge computing. Formerly a new technology trend to watch, cloud computing has become mainstream. With major players AWS, Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform dominating the market. The adoption of cloud computing is still growing, as more and more businesses migrate to a cloud solution. But it's no longer the emerging technology trend. As the quantity of data organizations is dealing with continues to increase, they have realized the shortcomings of cloud computing in some situations. Edge computing is designed to help solve some of those problems as a way to bypass the latency caused by cloud computing and getting data to a data center for processing. Edge computing can be used to process time-sensitive data in remote locations with limited or no connectivity to a centralized location. In those situations, edge computing can act like mini data centers. Edge computing will increase as use of the Internet of Things, IoT, devices increases. 12. Quantum computing. Next remarkable technology trend is quantum computing, which is a form of computing that takes advantage of quantum phenomena like superposition and quantum entanglement. This amazing technology trend is also involved in preventing the spread of the coronavirus. And to develop potential vaccines, thanks to its ability to easily query, monitor, analyze, and act on data, regardless of the source. Another field where quantum computing is finding applications is banking and finance, to manage credit risk, for high-frequency trading and fraud detection. Quantum computers are now a multitude times faster than regular computers, and huge brands like Splunk, Honeywell, Microsoft, AWS, Google and many others are now involved in making innovations in the field of quantum computing. 13. Virtual reality and augmented reality. The next exceptional technology trend, virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, and extended reality, AR. VR immerses the user in an environment while AR enhances their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming thus far, it has also been used for training. As with Virtual Ship, a simulation software used to train U.S. Navy, Army and Coast Guard ship captains. AR and VR have enormous potential in training, entertainment, education, marketing, and even rehabilitation after an injury. Either could be used to train doctors to do surgery, offer museum goers a deeper experience, enhance theme parks, or even enhance marketing, as with this Pepsi Max bus shelter. 14. Blockchain. Although most people think of blockchain technology in relation to cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, blockchain offers security that is useful in many other ways. In the simplest of terms, blockchain can be described as data you can only add to, not take away from, or change. Hence the term chain, because you're making a chain of data. Not being able to change the previous blocks is what makes it so secure. In addition, blockchains are consensus-driven, so no one entity can take control of the data. With blockchain, you don't need a trusted third party to oversee or validate transactions. Several industries are involving and implementing blockchain, and as the use of blockchain technology increases, so too does the demand for skilled professionals. From a bird's eye view, a blockchain developer specializes in developing and implementing architecture and solutions using blockchain technology. 15. Internet of Things, IoT. Another promising new technology trend is IoT. Many things are now being built with Wi-Fi connectivity, meaning they can be connected to the internet and to each other. Hence, the Internet of Things, or IoT. The Internet of Things is the future, and has already enabled devices, home appliances, cars and much more to be connected to and exchange data over the internet. As consumers, we're already using and benefiting from IoT. However, businesses also have much to gain now and in the near future. The IoT can enable better safety, efficiency and decision-making for businesses as data is collected and analyzed. It can enable predictive maintenance, speed up medical care, improve customer service, and offer benefits we haven't even imagined yet. And we're only in the beginning stages of this new technology trend. Forecasts suggest that by 2030 around 50 billion of these IoT devices will be in use around the world, creating a massive web of interconnected devices spanning everything from smartphones to kitchen appliances. 16. 5G. Where 3G and 4G technologies have enabled us to browse the internet, use data-driven services, increased bandwidths for streaming on Spotify or YouTube and so much more, 5G services are expected to revolutionize our lives. By enabling services that rely on advanced technologies like AR and VR, alongside cloud-based gaming services like Google Stadia, NVIDIA GeForce Now and much more. It is expected to be used in factories, HD cameras that help improve safety and traffic management, smart grid control and smart retail too. Just about every telecom company like Verizon, T-Mobile, Apple, Nokia Corp, Qualcomm, are now working on creating 5G applications. 5G networks will cover 40% of the world by 2024, handling 25% of all mobile traffic data, making it an emerging technology trend you must watch out for, and also save a spot in. 17. Cybersecurity. The malevolent hackers who are trying to illegally access data are not going to give up anytime soon, and they will continue to find ways to get through even the toughest security measures. It's also in part because new technology is being adapted to enhance security. As long as we have hackers, cybersecurity will remain a trending technology because it will constantly evolve to defend against those hackers. As proof of the strong need for cybersecurity professionals, the number of cybersecurity jobs is growing 3 times faster than other tech jobs. According to Gartner, by 2025, 60% of organizations will use cybersecurity risk as a primary determinant in conducting third-party transactions and business engagements.